Infused water is one of the health drinks that should be drank on a daily basis. One of the recommended infused water is made from cucumber. Cucumber-infused water is a wonderful option for the popular and sweet vitamin water, in addition to being simple to produce. Cucumbers also include a variety of vitamins, antioxidants, and other minerals. Here are 8 benefits of regularly consuming cucumber-infused water. Keep the body hydrated. To function correctly and preserve general health, the human body needs enough water. Every day, women should drink 2.2 liters and men should drink 3 liters of water. When sweating profusely, exercising, or losing fluids due to illness or heat, a person's fluid requirements can rise. Cucumber-infused water contributes to a person's daily water intake, plus the added flavor from the cucumber satisfies the hunger. Helps lose weight. It turns out that infused water has nearly no calories. This allows you to enjoy delicious beverages without adding unnecessary calories to your diet. Drinking cucumber-infused water can also help a person feel full, preventing them from nibbling excessively. Provide intake of antioxidants. All kinds of diseases, including cancer, diabetes, and heart disease, can be caused by oxidative damage. Antioxidants, on the other hand, aid in the prevention and delay of cell damage induced by oxidative stress. Cucumber-infused water is high in antioxidants and other vitamins and minerals. Drinking infused water boosts the nutritional value and antioxidant content of a glass of water. Cucumbers also have a lot of antioxidants including calcium, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, vitamin A, and vitamin K. Control blood pressure. High blood pressure can be caused by a diet high in sodium and low in potassium, thus increasing potassium in your diet can help lower blood pressure. Cucumbers have a high potassium content. Cucumber-infused water is an excellent approach to increase potassium levels in the body, improve sodium-potassium balance, and perhaps lower blood pressure. Help prevent cancer. Cucumbers are high in flavonoids, which can aid in cancer prevention. Cucumbers contain the dietary flavonoid fisetin, which may help to prevent the progression of prostate cancer. Healthy muscles. Potassium is important for muscle energy and recuperation. Cucumber-infused water is an excellent choice for active people and people who have muscle soreness because cucumbers are a strong source of potassium. Healthy skin. Hydration can aid in the removal of toxins from the body and the maintenance of good skin. Cucumbers also contain B vitamins, which can aid in the treatment of acne and other skin issues. Healthy bones. Cucumbers have a lot of vitamin K in them. Vitamin K is necessary for the formation of protein in the body, which is required for the formation of healthy bones and tissues. It can help people with osteoporosis by increasing bone strength and reducing fractures. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for our next video.